Hello and welcome to your body scan meditation practice. Let's get comfortable before we begin. Set yourself up somewhere comfortable, whether it be lying on a mat, maybe lying on the couch, somewhere you feel comfortable. I'm going to set up here with some blocks in my bolster, and then I'm going to lie down as we get ready to begin our full body scan meditation. Wherever you are, settle into a comfortable position. Allow yourself to lie down or rest where your body is completely supported. Maybe let your hands rest softly on the belly. Maybe they're off to the side. Gently close down the eyes as we take a slow breath in through the nose for 4, 3, 2, 1, and exhale slowly for 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Again, breathing in, filling the lungs like the first morning light filling a quiet room, and exhale as though you are releasing the weight of the entire day. One more breath in, and a long, soft breath out. Allow your breathing to return to a natural rhythm. Imagine that with every exhale, you are arriving more fully here, like snow settling softly onto the ground, or like waves smoothing the sand after the tide. There is nowhere else you need to be. Nothing to fix, nothing to hold, only this moment. Bring your awareness to the places where your body meets the earth beneath you. Notice the back of your head, your shoulders, your hips, your legs, your heels. Feel yourself being held, completely supported, as though the ground beneath you is saying, you do not have to carry everything right now. You may rest. Allow the forehead to soften, the tiny muscles around the eyes to relax. Let your jaw unclench and your tongue soften. And with every exhale, imagine your body becoming heavier, more grounded, more rooted, like a tree whose roots sink deeply into the earth below. Bring your awareness now to your feet. Notice your toes, the soles of your feet, your heels. Imagine a warm golden light surrounding your feet, soft and gentle, like sunlight spilling across the floor on a quiet morning. Allow that warmth to melt away any tension you may be holding there. Now bring your awareness to your ankles, your calves, your shins. Imagine that same golden light softly flowing upwards through the lower legs. With each breath, the muscles soften, the legs grow heavier, as though you are standing in warm water and everything unnecessarily is slowly washing away. Bring your attention to your knees, the front of the knees, the back of the knees. Offer them a moment of gratitude for all the ways they carry you. And now let the awareness move into your thighs, the tops of the legs, the back of the legs. Feel the muscles soften, feel them release. Imagine the golden light continuing to rise, now reaching your hips and your pelvis, this space where we often hold so much stress, responsibility, emotion. As you breathe out, imagine the hips growing wide and soft, like the earth opening after the rain. Let yourself release what you no longer need to hold on to. Now bring your awareness to your lower back. Notice where it meets the floor or chair beneath you. Imagine the breath moving into the lower back, creating space, creating softness, and creating more ease. And now bring your attention to your belly. Notice the gentle rise as you breathe in and the soft fall as you breathe out. Allow your belly to soften completely. You do not need to hold yourself together right now. You are allowed to soften. Imagine your breath like an ocean tide, rolling in and rolling out. Slow, steady, and gentle. Bring your awareness to your chest, your ribs, your heart space. Notice the gentle expansion with every inhale. Notice the release with every exhale. Imagine a soft light glowing in the center of your chest, warm, steady, calm, like a lantern glowing quietly in the dark. With every breath, the light glows just a little bit brighter, filling the chest, the ribs, the shoulders. Perhaps silently say to yourself, I am safe, I am here, I am enough. Begin to bring your awareness to your neck, the front of the throat, the back of the neck. Allow this space to soften. Bring awareness to your jaw. Let it release. Your cheeks soften. Your eyes become heavy. Imagine the space between your eyebrows widening. The forehead smooths. And now, the crown of the head. Imagine a gentle stream of light pouring down from above, soft and peaceful, like moonlight resting on still water. It washes over the top of your head, your face, your neck, and all the way down through the body, leaving only softness and only stillness. Now sense your entire body as one, from the crown of your head to the tips of your toes. Notice your body breathing. Imagine yourself resting in a field at dusk, the sky soft above you, the earth steady beneath you. You are held, you are supported, you are enough exactly as you are. Breathe in and breathe out. Begin to invite a little more breath back into the body. Take a deeper inhale and a longer exhale. Maybe begin to wiggle your fingers. Maybe begin to wiggle your toes. Perhaps gently roll the shoulders or stretch the arms up ahead. Imagine carrying the feeling with you like a small light inside you. A quiet reminder that you can return to yourself whenever you need. One final breath in and softly breathe out. Namaste.